Inside a modern banana processing factory, the banana plant is used for much more than its fruit. Around the world, banana leaves and banana blossoms are important natural materials used in food, packaging, cooking, traditional dishes, and plant-based products. But before they reach markets, restaurants, or food manufacturers, they must pass through a careful processing system. The journey begins in banana plantations,
cutting this one now.
where workers harvest mature banana leaves and banana blossoms
Move
at
the
the right
basket
stage.
here, I'll catch it.
Banana leaves are wide, flexible, and
Gently
naturally
now,
strong.
Don't bruise the leaves.
They are often used for wrapping food, steaming
need more
dishes,
blue crates over
serving
here.
meals, and creating eco-friendly packaging. Banana blossoms, also called banana flowers, are the large purple flower buds that grow at the end of a banana bunch. Inside them are tender layers that can be processed into food ingredients. After harvesting, the leaves and blossoms are collected carefully to prevent damage.
Esta tiene un rasguño.
Banana leaves
acuerdo.
can tear easily if handled
tamaño
roughly,
de esta es
and banana
perfecto.
blossoms can bruise if they are stacked too heavily. The raw materials are loaded into clean crates and transported quickly to the processing facility. Speed matters because plant materials begin losing freshness after harvest. At the factory receiving area, workers inspect the incoming banana leaves and blossoms. The leaves are checked for size, color, flexibility, tears, insect damage, and dirt. The blossoms are checked for freshness, firmness, color, and overall quality. Any damaged or unsuitable material is removed before the main processing begins. The banana leaves move first to the washing section. Large washing systems use clean water sprays to remove dust, soil, and field residue. The leaves are spread carefully so water can reach both sides. Some facilities use gentle conveyor washing systems to avoid tearing the leaf surface. The goal is to clean the leaves while keeping them whole and flexible. After washing, the leaves pass through draining and air drying systems. Excess water is removed using gentle airflow, rollers, or drying conveyors. The leaves must not become too dry or brittle. They need to remain soft enough for folding and wrapping, but clean and dry enough for packaging. Next, the leaves are sorted by size and quality. Large, unbroken leaves may be selected for food wrapping or serving. Smaller leaves may be cut into sheets. Damaged edges may be trimmed away. Workers or automated cutters create uniform sizes depending on the final product. Some leaves are cut into rectangular sheets for food packaging, while others are folded into bundles. In some processing lines, banana leaves are heat-treated or steam-treated. This step can make the leaves more flexible, reduce surface microorganisms, and help preserve the natural green color. The heat must be carefully controlled. Too much heat can damage the leaves, while too little may not prepare them properly for storage or use. After treatment, the leaves are stacked neatly. They may be vacuum-packed, wrapped in protective film, or packed into cartons. Some are chilled or frozen depending on the market and product type. Frozen banana leaves can be shipped long distances and used later in restaurants, food factories, and homes. While the leaves are being processed, banana blossoms follow a different path. Banana blossoms have tough outer purple layers and more tender inner layers. In many food applications, the outer bracts are removed, and the inner parts are selected for cutting, cooking, canning, drying, or freezing. At the trimming station, workers remove damaged outer layers from the blossoms. The flower is opened carefully and selected parts are separated. This step requires skill because the blossom contains many layers. The factory must balance yield, quality, and food safety. Once trimmed, the banana blossoms are washed thoroughly. Water sprays and washing tanks help remove dirt, sap, and small particles. Banana blossoms naturally contain plant sap that can darken when exposed to air. To control color and freshness, some factories use clean water treatments and quick processing methods. After washing, the blossoms may be sliced or shredded. Industrial cutting machines create uniform pieces, strips, or chunks depending on the final product. Consistent cutting is important because it affects cooking time, texture, appearance, and packaging. In food production, uniformity helps every batch look and perform the same. The sliced banana blossoms may then move into a blanching system. Blanching uses hot water or steam for a short time. This step helps reduce enzymes that cause discoloration, softens the texture, and prepares the product for freezing, canning, or further processing. Temperature and time must be controlled carefully to avoid overcooking. After blanching, the product is cooled quickly. Cooling stops the cooking process and helps maintain texture. The banana blossom pieces move through cold water or cooling conveyors before draining. Excess water is removed to prepare the pieces for packaging. Some banana blossoms are processed as frozen ingredients. In this line, the drained pieces move into a freezing tunnel. Cold air freezes the pieces rapidly, helping preserve freshness, texture, and color. Once frozen, the pieces are weighed and packed into bags or cartons for storage and distribution. Other banana blossoms may be canned or packed in jars. In that process, the prepared pieces are filled into containers with liquid, sealed, and heat-treated for shelf stability. Canning requires strict control of temperature, sealing, and hygiene to keep the product safe. Some factories also dry banana blossom slices. Drying removes moisture and creates a lightweight product with a longer shelf life. Drying can be done using hot air dryers, dehydrators, or controlled drying rooms. The final dried product may be used in soups, plant-based food products, seasoning blends, or specialty dishes. Throughout the entire process, quality control is essential. Technicians check color, texture, moisture level, weight, packaging condition, and cleanliness. Inspection systems and trained workers remove products that do not meet the required standard. Food safety depends on careful monitoring from harvest to final packaging. Banana leaves also go through inspection before shipping. Packages are checked for proper sealing, correct size, clean appearance, and damage. Leaves must remain flexible, clean, and free from unwanted tears. If they are used for food wrapping, the visual quality is especially important. The finished products move into storage areas. Fresh or chilled banana leaves may be stored in refrigerated rooms. Frozen banana leaves and blossoms are stored in frozen warehouses. Dried products are stored in dry rooms with controlled humidity. Each product type requires the right environment to protect quality.
Centered now.
From storage, the products are loaded into trucks for distribution. Banana leaves may go to restaurants, supermarkets, food exporters, and packaging companies. Banana blossoms may go to food processors, plant-based food brands, grocery stores, and international markets. The banana plant becomes part of many different supply chains. Behind the scenes, cleaning and sanitation are constant. Washing lines, cutting machines, conveyors, blanchers, freezers, tables, and packaging equipment must be cleaned regularly. Plant sap and organic residue can build up quickly, so the factory must maintain strict hygiene. What makes this process fascinating is how many useful products can come from one plant. The banana fruit is only one part of the story. The leaves can become natural food wrappers or eco-friendly packaging materials. The blossoms can become fresh, frozen, canned, dried, or plant-based food ingredients. Inside a high-tech banana processing factory, tradition and modern technology meet. Banana leaves have been used for cooking and wrapping food for generations. Banana blossoms have been used in traditional dishes in many cultures. Today, modern machines help process these materials at larger scale, with better hygiene, consistency, and distribution. From freshly harvested banana leaves and blossoms to cleaned, cut, treated, packed, stored, and shipped products. The journey is carefully controlled from start to finish. Every conveyor, washer, cutter, blancher, freezer, dryer, inspection station, and packaging machine plays a role. And the next time you see food wrapped in a banana leaf, or a dish made with banana blossom, remember that behind it may be a full production line of harvesting, washing, sorting, cutting, heat treatment, packaging, quality control, and logistics. This is mega processing tech taking you inside the machines that build the modern world.